So the biggest benefit with having a total hip replacement with Dr. Clegg is I've literally just gotten back to my life. I was literally and figuratively grinding down. Everything had become a chore. I wasn't able to do the normal things in life. I've got a honey-do list, 7 miles long. My wife is ecstatic. Hi, my name is Bill Sarpis. I had a total hip replacement with Dr. Travis Clegg, and I feel great. I'm not exactly sure what the incident was, but there was no cartilage. It was bone on bone. It was literally grinding with every step. It was terrible.
He had what we call an anterior approach hip replacement, where we really don't violate or cut through any of the muscles or tendons. And so he was in and out of the hospital in just a couple of hours, and really has done remarkably well. Basically, I think at this point, he's completely pain-free. He has great motion. He's able to do pretty much everything he wants to do.
I usually don't see that person-to-person connection with physicians. They've got X number of minutes. They come in, they leave. But he genuinely cared about me, what was going on with my hip, and what he could do to take care of that. So the follow-up was great. Everybody in his office has been wonderful. Every time I've seen him, he's like, so less pain? I said, no pain. He said, so it's a different pain? No, there's just no pain. I'm shocked at what the level of improvement was. So I absolutely would recommend Dr. Clegg to anyone.